सो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं व्हाट इज़ द रिएक्ट कंपोनेंट एंड हाउ टू क्रिएट दैट। तो अभी यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो है एक नेक्स्ट जेएस का प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें हम एक कंपोनेंट बनाएंगे। सो यहाँ पे एक हम फाइल लेते हैं नेम टेस्ट डॉट jsx and the proper syntax is that you keep the component name in capitalized form, like first letter should be capital, and you can use extension jsx or js, but preferred way is to use the jsx because it's give the suggestion, like it gives the jsx suggestions, jsx syntax. It identify the jsx syntax when you use the jsx syntax, jsx extension in your component name. So basically, what is the React component? It is a simple JavaScript function which returns an HTML element or group of HTML elements. So here to create a component, I just creating a JavaScript function, and I will just give a function name or React name, component name, and this is simple JavaScript function, and I have to export this function, export default test, so that I can use this component other places in the project. And here you just have to return something, return an HTML element or group of HTML elements. So either you can return a single HTML element or you can return a group of HTML elements grouped in a single tag. H1 you can p tag, or you can return p tag or button tag. So this is the group of HTML element. Either you can return a single HTML element or group of HTML elements. So for now, I'm just returning the single HTML element for the simplicity, and the React component is ready. This is the React component, simple. And if I have to use anywhere in the project, I just have to use there. Just import that component and use like this. If I show you, you can see the component is rendered here. And now what is the props. Same like HTML attributes, like you have seen that we pass the different like title tag HTML attributes. If I show you the HTML attributes, you can see here we are passing these attributes src, width, height. Same like that in React component also we pass the different properties, different attributes, and those attributes are called props. Simply, in HTML element we pass attributes, in component we pass props. The meaning is same. If I pass the title here, title is equal to Assis is a front-end developer, and how to use this title prop inside the component. And let's see, I just want to go to test. If you want to use these props, here you will get the props at a props object, and if you use the title here, I'm just going to use the title like that. You will access the title from here, props dot title, and in this title this value will goes inside this. If I inspect this, or if I hover on this, you can see not entering. Let's see what happens. Header h1, You can see in the title there is this text which we passed from our component. So I hope you got an idea how to create a React component and what is the React component, what is the props in a simple way. In the next video we will meet again with newer topics. Till then, bye, thanks for watching.